channel, welcome. Right, in response to a comment a while ago on, it might have been a video about soldering blocks or something, but someone commented they use graphite, and I was like, well, really? What, that's stuff like in your pencil lead? Yeah, searched online, you can buy it in like big slabs like that. Bought this on AliExpress, good old AliExpress, to get a lot of stuff for this channel from there. It's not only cheap, but if you want to buy something a bit weird like that, like, I'm not going to find that in your like, local stationery shop or something, a little tool shop. Where'd you buy that? Yeah, if you want to find something a bit weird, try AliExpress. Anyway, yeah, you can buy it, and you research a little bit about it. It is actually really heat proof, like 3,000 degrees centigrade plus, but I researched on a bit more sciencey sort of website stuffs. Yeah, you can do that, but they're in special circumstances where there's no oxygen present. So I don't know if it's going to work. I mean, the temperatures it will get up to for soldering, like silver soldering, gold soldering, it might be fine, but I'm a little bit unknowing about what's going to happen. But basically, I'm just going to test the heat proofness of that, the heat resistance, I should say. So if it lasts, brilliant, because I quite often want a perfectly flat surface for things to sit on. Setting up just delicate little bits of metal, you want them to lay exactly as you put them down. You know, like charcoal blocks, they just wear out even underneath. It's usually nice and flat. They rock about and there's little bits missing. Not always great. If I can keep this just for special occasions and have that perfect sort of flat surface, that's going to be really helpful. So anyway, this video is about me just heating this up, see what happens. Right, so let's see what you got. Do it a bit gently first, and I'll give it the beans. No reaction, no smoke, all good so far. Charcoal blocks can crack, that's why we put wire around them. If this graphite stuff, because you can buy it, where I bought it from, you can get it in all different sizes and thicknesses and stuff. This was quite a small one. But so far so good. Really, really good. Gonna attack a corner a little bit. I mean, it's being totally unaffected by this flame. Let's see if I can fuck it up. That's the kind of flame I would melt platinum with. I mean, I literally can't affect it at all. That was like a solid 1700 degree flame then. I mean, there's barely any heat coming off it as well. This stuff's amazing. Whoever commented using graphite, thank you very much. This is going to be really helpful. Do you dare me to touch that? Right, it's definitely really hot. So it's holding heat. It's absorbed a lot of heat. But wow, I like it. Something just happened, unfortunately. I just stopped recording. That is so hot, my metal plate just flexed and it flipped it over. Oh, I wish I got that on video. That was unfortunate, I just missed that. It just went bang, it was like made me jump, and then it just flipped over, like, just because that plate is changing shape. Anyway, yeah, great, that's gonna be really helpful, because quite often I want things to sit exactly flat, like this. There's a new one I just started and working on, kind of artwork as an example. I want things to sit perfect. I make them out of, I create L shapes and then put them together like that. I want things to sit at exactly 90-degree corner and then perfectly flat, because I'm using square wire. That's too small, unfortunately. Maybe for the smaller bits it'll be okay. But yeah, that's why my charcoal block is upside down right now, because I was just working on one. I want that flat surface, but that's not quite good enough. I like aiming for like really precise achievements with my metalwork, and yeah, it limits you. Your tools can limit you you want something to lay flat and you can only get it to sit a bit wobbly or just best possible and then have to hammer it after. It kind of ballsing you up. It's nice to have something that really allows you to work to your best potential. So cool, yeah, graphite, get some.